The medical entomology and veterinary entomology are two branches of applied entomology that deal the biology of insect in reference to human and animals of economic importance. The insects affect the health of both in two ways as the cause of cause and agents of disease and discomfort, and indirectly as the transmitters or vectors of disease and pathogens like bacteria. There are some insects like mosquitoes. There are three genera of mosquitoes: Anopheles, Culex, and Aedes. Anopheles species transmit a sporozoan protozoa Plasmodium. This is Anopheles mosquito. Plasmodium species causing malaria. In appearance, the Anopheles mosquitoes are relatively smaller, about 3 mm, with one pair of spotted wings. In sitting posture, body remains elevated as 45 degrees from the surface of the substratum, and proboscis remains straight in line with the long axis of the body. The 5 segmented maxillary palps are equal to the proboscis, both in male and female. Culex. Culex pipiens fatigans is an tropicopolitan mosquito of great economic importance. This is the carrier of Wuchereria bancrofti, which causes elephantiasis. During severe infection, the microfilary blocks the lymphatic vessels and glands, causing lymphatic obstructions, causing accumulation of lymph in certain organs like legs, arms, etc., due to which they swell. In appearance, the Culex mosquito are about 4 mm in length with one pair of elevated or one pair of clear uniform wings. In sitting posture, the body remains parallel to the surface of the substratum, and the proboscis remains bent at 45 degrees from long axis of the body. The maxillary palps are 5 segmented and equal or larger than proboscis. Aedes. Aedes aegypti is one of the commonest mosquitoes of the tropics and subtropics of the world, and occurs largely along the coast and the courses of the large rivers. This mosquito or these mosquitoes are able to transmit the virus of dengue and yellow fever from one human being to another. Yellow fever means breakbone fever is an infectious tropical disease characteristic by or characterized by fever, extreme pain in the joints and muscles, vomiting, and skin eruptions. In appearance, the Aedes mosquitoes are about 4 mm in length, with one pair of wings like culex. In sitting posture, body remains parallel to the surface of the substratum, and the proboscis remains bent at 45 degrees from the long axis of the body. The maxillary palps are 5 segmented and equal or larger than proboscis and terminally pointed in males. Sandfly. Sandfly is small or minute, about 3 mm, usually very hairy, moth-like flies. The sandflies are blood-sucking insects, and like mosquitoes, many female flies suck the blood. They occur in southern states of America and in the tropical countries. They act as vectors of several diseases in various parts of the world, like 3-day fever. These are long antennae, short proboscis with palps, hair covered wings of sandfly. Bed bug, Hemiptera semicity. Bed bugs are blood sucking ectoparasites. It is distributed throughout the world and is an important household insect. In appearance, bed bugs are small, oval and flattened, reddish brown in color, and measures about 5 mm in length and 3 mm in width. Head bears compound eyes, 4 segmented antennae, and opisthognatous mouthparts, which are well adapted for piercing and sucking. Mesothorax is generally covered by vestigial forewings. Hind wings are completely absent. In addition to smell and irritating bites that cause disturbance in sleep, the bedbug also possesses microorganisms that are supposed to be cause of transmission of certain diseases like Kala-Azar, relapsing fever, etc. Typhoid is the life cycle of bed bug. Fleas, Siphonoptera ulyssidi. The adult fleas are blood-sucking ectoparasites of living birds and mammals. They can jump a horizontal distance of nearly 33 centimeters. Found in tropics and in India. Fleas transmit several fatal diseases to humans. Plague, marine endemic typhus, etc. In appearance, the fleas are secondarily apterous, means without wings, laterally compressed, with highly sclerotized integument. The head sets closely into thorax and bears comb formed by a row of powerful spines on the lateroventral border of the head. The mouth parts are adapted for piercing and sucking of blood. The short antennae are connected in grooves or concealed in the grooves when at rest and serves as claspers. The hind legs are strong and coxa are enlarged and adapted for gliding easily among hairs and for jumping and leaping. Lice, Pediculus, Siponculata pediculati. The human lice are secondarily apterous ectoparasites of mammals or without wings. These are without wings. Pediculus humanus is notorious species infecting humans. Human louse or lice transmits several diseases such as relapsing fever, epidemic typhus fever, French fever, etc. Of which epidemic typhus fever caused by rickettsia. In appearance, the female is dark brown to black, about 2.5 mm to 4.5 mm long. Males are somewhat smaller than female. The body of the head louse is flattened. The head is orthognathous or prognathous conical and bears 3 to 5 segmented antennae. Mouth parts are highly modified and adapted for piercing and sucking of blood. Eyes are large, convex, and almost always distinctly pigmented. Thoracic segments are indistinct. The legs are clanging type, tarsi are unsegmented, and bear strong curved claw for grasping hairs. So these are some insects. Of medical importance. This is the life cycle. Fleas, and these are claws.